Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Twitter videos to gallery. So first, when you open your Twitter app, as you can see on your screen, and you would like to download the video that you watch. So for example, this one, then all you need to do is tap on the video that you want to download. And then right here, tap on the share button at the bottom right corner beside the heart icon, which is the like. So just tap on the share button, and then you need to tap this copy link right here at the left side of your screen. So as you can see, copied to clipboard. Now all you need to do is go to your Google Chrome or any internet browser you often use, and then go to the search box right here and search for Twitter video downloader, and then tap on search, and you will see a bunch of links right here that you can be used. So for me, I want to choose this SSS Twitter. So right here on the second link, now all you need to do right here is to paste the link or paste the copied link right here. So tap on paste and then tap on this download button right here and wait for a few seconds. So you just confirm your download. So I just want to choose this low resolution. So just tap this one, and as you can see at the top that the video is starting to download. Now once you've done, you can now tap on open, and you will see right here the downloaded video from your Twitter app. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.